Hello, my name is Kalen. I am going to be showing you how to use sharing and permissions on Google Sites today. A website can be built to suit a variety of purposes. Usually a website is used to broadcast information, but sometimes you'll want to restrict who can see your site. On Google Sites, this is done by managing permissions. Permissions give you full control over who can see or edit your Google site. So first I'm going to show you right here. Underneath the Contact Us, there should be a Staff Info, Utility Info information tab. But because I'm on a different email address, it will not show it as I've restricted it. On this one, I do have it because I'm a collaborator of this site. So first thing, what you're going to want to do is you want to find your Google site and find the settings tab, which is right at the top right corner. As you click it, you'll want to find manage site. So in this tab, there's a bunch of different items on the left side. You want to click sharing and permissions. This is where you can limit who can see what on the site. So what you'll want to have is turn your page level submissions or permissions off. This will allow only certain people to access certain pages on your Google site. If you're wanting to limit or share your site with many people, then you can click on this change specific people can access change button. This brings you to all the different options you can share this with, whether it be a network, an email, or specific people. Because I want to share it only with specific people, I have it turned off and I save. So in order to get the staff utility info, my site, my page that I wanted to only share with specific people, I click on that specific page and I'll click change. In this button, you'll want to have your custom permissions set, and custom permissions do not add new users to this page. When that's done, you can add people onto your site by your simple share button. And as you can see, I have another Gmail account here, and I'm not showing anything. So in order to allow permission for that other email address to view it, I can either select view or edit. Now I can go back to my other site, refresh my site, and now I can access that information. This is very good because you need to make sure that only specific people can see specific information on your Google sites. In order to change this and restrict the access, I can go back down to this email address and I can just click the X button and save changes. As you can see, it didn't delete the person from the site. It only deleted the person from this specific information. Always save your page before carrying on. And if you have any other information or any other questions, you can always find it in the Sites Help, top right-hand corner of your screen. In conclusion, adding permissions to certain pages of a site is a useful way to manage who can view certain information. I hope all of this information will have provided you with the knowledge that you will need to manage the permissions on your own Google site. Thank you for listening.